Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and let go of any tension. Visualize a warm, gentle light surrounding you and your baby. Imagine this light as a loving and protective energy that connects the two of you. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and more radiant, enveloping both of you in a warm embrace. Bring your attention to your belly, where your baby is growing. Place your hands gently on your belly and feel the warmth of your touch. As you do this, imagine a soft, golden thread extending from your heart to your baby's heart. This thread represents the unbreakable bond between you and your child. Imagine you and your baby floating in a serene, tranquil space. With each breath, imagine sending love and positive energy to your baby through the golden thread that connects your hearts. As you continue to breathe deeply, start to envision your baby's presence. Visualize their tiny form, their features, and their essence. Now, take a moment to silently communicate with your baby. Feel their energy merging with yours, creating a profound sense of unity. Speak to them from your heart, expressing your love, joy, and anticipation for their arrival. Imagine their response, feeling their love and warmth embracing you. As the meditation comes to a close, take a few more deep breaths, gradually bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, this connection with your baby is a sacred and beautiful experience. You can return to this meditation whenever you want to nurture and strengthen the spiritual bonds between your souls.